Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to add cash transactions to Bright manually. Are you using cash? Well, no worries. Bright lets you manually add those cash expenses so that your budget stays accurate and complete. First, open the Bright app and log into your account. From the main dashboard, tap the Transactions or Activity tab. Then you're going to look for the plus icon, or you can just check for Add Transactions button. You can usually find that at the top or the bottom of the screen. Select Add Manual Transactions and now enter the details. You can enter the amount spent, the date of the transactions, categories like groceries, rent, or entertainment, and optionally, you can add tags like vacation or gifts for better tracking. You can also write a quick note to remember what exactly it was for. Once everything's filled in, tap Save or Add Transactions. That cash transaction will now appear in your transactions list and be factored into your budget and reports, just like your card payments. To edit or delete it later, simply tap on it and choose Edit or Delete. Logging your cash spendings helps Bright to give you a more accurate picture of your habits. No hidden surprises at the end of the month. If this helped you take better control of your money, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Bright tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.